Hi, I'm Doug Chamberlain with SolidFire, here today with Rollins and Rivera from VMware. I'm going to talk to them a little bit more about virtual volumes, right? The vSphere Virtual Volume came with vSphere 6, really cool technology. How would a customer use that? I mean, it seems like it's made for certain customers and maybe not for others?
Well, I think eventually it'll be made for everyone. For the simple fact that Virtual Volumes is basically a VM management framework that turns a traditional storage array into sort of a single point of management that delivers VM and application-centric type of capabilities in management and consumption settings.
All right. So assuming everybody's going to go that direction, that's where you want to be at some point. How are people going to adopt it? I mean, let's start today. How would I, as a customer of VMware, start adopting virtual volumes?
Well, number one, you need a SolidFire array that's compliant with virtual volumes. That's out of the gate. After that, vSphere 6. Once you have vSphere 6, you'll be able to put those two together and now start utilizing virtual volumes. Now, virtual volumes makes the SolidFire VM aware, where now you have a level of granularity in terms of performance and what you can deliver to it, which is very native to the array system itself. So it's very kind of complementary to what you guys have been doing in terms of automation and all the things that are there.
Right, and certainly with our quality of service and the ability to set minimum and maximum and some burst, it would seem like it would be a great opportunity to mix a lot of environments together using a vVol.
Absolutely. I mean, that's one of the special qualities that you guys have in terms of implementation. So delivering a QoS at the vVol level, that's very important because now you're able to guarantee performance to an individual virtual volume instead of an entire volume per se, that's one of the big values in terms of what the technology brings.
Now, I can see, though, that some people may be very happy with Datastores. There may be groups of applications that work great there versus others that should have vVols. Still something we can mix together?
Absolutely. Once your array is vVol compliant, it is still backwards compatible with the previous models, using LUN volumes, and you can consume them both. Why would you do all three of them? It depends, right? It depends on the type of requirements that you may have, whether or not virtual volumes is able to support a specific characteristic that you need today in an application or may not be there. So you can still use all three of them seamlessly.
So based on the technology, it sounds like everybody should be moving towards vVols and using vSphere Virtual Volumes. We'd love it to be on SolidFire, but it sounds like the architecture is really something ready to go.
Absolutely. You can use Virtual Volumes on a SolidFire today, and then you also use your backwards capabilities from before, volumes, LUNs. It still works the same.
So fantastic. Regardless of what you're doing for your VMware environment, whether it's Datastores, Virtual Volumes, we'd love to see you using SolidFire. Thanks so much.